Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Ace 2V, and let me share with you how to allow unknown sources on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings and here scroll to find password and security. Now let's tap on System Security, and here we've got this app installation option, and let's tap on Installation Sources. As you can see here, we've got the list of apps which are allowed or not allowed to install some content. And basically all you have to do in order to allow the app is to tap on the switcher. Your device will of course ask you if you really want to do it, because you're doing it on your own responsibility. Some third-party apps aren't verified by the developer, so they may put your data and actually whole device at risk. So remember about that and choose the apps wisely. Simply confirm it with tapping on allowed, and as you can see in my case, the Chrome is right now allowed to install something. Of course, you can remove all previously granted permissions just by tapping on the switcher again, and the Chrome is inactive. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.